Hey foodies! Today we're cooking up a storm with some delicious chicken breasts. Trust me, by the end of this video, your taste buds will be doing the cha-cha. Let's dive in. First up, we have 3 chicken breasts. These aren't just any chicken breasts, folks. These are the VIPs of the poultry world. They've been working out, doing Pilates. Okay, maybe not, but they're about to be stars in our kitchen. Next, we need to season these bad boys with some salt and black pepper. Don't be shy, give them a good massage. It's like a spa day for chickens. We're heating things up with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Think of it as the dynamic duo of the cooking world, like Batman and Robin, but tastier. The olive oil brings a subtle, fruity flavor, while the butter adds a rich, creamy texture. Together, they create a perfect base for our chicken. Now gently place your chicken breasts in the pan. Make sure the pan is hot enough to hear that satisfying sizzle. Fry over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown. This ensures the chicken is cooked through while keeping it juicy and tender. We want them to look like they just came back from a Caribbean vacation, beautifully tanned. The golden brown color indicates that the chicken has developed a delicious crust, locking in all those wonderful flavors. As the chicken cooks, you might notice the aroma filling your kitchen, making it hard to wait for the final dish. But patience is key here. Let the chicken cook undisturbed to achieve that perfect sear. Once done, you can serve these succulent chicken breasts with your favorite sides, be it a fresh salad, some roasted vegetables, or even a creamy mashed potato. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor every bite. While our chicken is getting its golden glow, let's move on to our garlic 4 to 5 cloves. Why so much garlic, you ask? Because vampires are so last season, and flavor is in. And don't forget the onion. This guy is going to make our dish a tearjerker, but only in the best way. Now, add another tablespoon of butter to the pan. Watch it melt and sizzle, filling the kitchen with that unmistakable aroma of pure deliciousness. Butter is the foundation of our sauce, giving it a rich, velvety texture that's simply irresistible. You might be thinking, more butter? Yes, more butter. It's not just about the taste, it's about creating a luxurious base that will carry all the other flavors beautifully. Yes, because life is better with butter, and that's just science. Butter contains fats that help to emulsify and blend the ingredients together, ensuring a smooth and cohesive sauce. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the pan. The acidity of the lemon juice will cut through the richness of the butter, adding a bright, tangy note that balances the flavors perfectly. This is where things get zesty. The zest of the lemon adds a burst of citrusy fragrance and a slight bitterness that enhances the overall complexity of the sauce. If life gives you lemons, make an amazing sauce. The lemon juice not only adds flavor but also helps to tenderize any proteins you might add later, making them juicy and flavorful. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth or water. Either works. The broth adds depth and umami, while water keeps it light and simple. Choose based on the dish you're pairing it with. Just don't use anything like soda. We're not that adventurous. Stick to the basics to ensure the flavors meld together harmoniously. Next, 1 cup of milk cream. This is where our sauce gets rich and creamy, like the dream vacation we all want to take. The cream adds a luxurious mouthfeel and a subtle sweetness that rounds out the sauce. Stir the cream in gently, watching as it transforms the sauce into a silky, smooth concoction. It's like watching a magic trick unfold right before your eyes. Add half a teaspoon of nutmeg. This little spice packs a punch. Nutmeg adds warmth and a hint of spice that elevates the sauce to a whole new level. This little spice packs a punch. It's like the secret weapon in our flavor arsenal, adding depth and complexity that makes the sauce unforgettable. It's like the secret weapon in our flavor arsenal. Just a small amount can transform the sauce, making it taste like it's been simmering for hours. Don't forget a pinch of salt too. Salt enhances all the other flavors, bringing them to the forefront and making the sauce truly sing. It's the final touch that ties everything together. Stir everything together gently, allowing the flavors to meld and develop. Take your time with this step. Patience is key to achieving a sauce that's rich, balanced, and full of depth. Let the sauce simmer on low heat, giving it time to thicken and concentrate. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to intensify and marry together beautifully. Taste the sauce as it cooks, adjusting the seasoning if necessary. This is your chance to make it perfect, so don't be afraid to add a little more salt, lemon juice, or nutmeg if needed. Finally, pour the finished sauce over your dish. Whether it's pasta, chicken, or vegetables, this sauce will elevate it to new heights, making every bite a delightful experience. And there you have it, a rich, creamy, and flavorful sauce that's sure to impress. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor every delicious bite. And finally, some fresh parsley. It's the edible confetti of the culinary world. Just sprinkle it on top like you're celebrating how awesome you are. Place the chicken breasts back in the pan, nestling them into that creamy, dreamy sauce. Now put the lid on and let it cook over low heat for 25 minutes. This is the part where you can relax, maybe do a little dance, or just watch the pot boil. Oh wait, it's covered. Never mind. And voila! After 25 minutes, you've got a dish that looks and tastes like $1,000,000. Serve it up and watch as everyone at the table thinks you're a culinary genius. Little do they know, you had a hilarious YouTube chef guiding you all along. Thank you for watching, commenting, and being part of my foodie family. Your support means the world to me, and I love seeing all your wonderful comments and feedback. Remember, the secret ingredient is always a little bit of fun. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience, filled with laughter and creativity. Delicious. See you next time, and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Your engagement helps this channel grow and reach more food lovers like you. And if you tried this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. I love hearing about your cooking adventures and seeing your photos. Share your tips and variations too. It's always exciting to see how you make these recipes your own. Follow me on social media for more behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks of upcoming recipes, and to join a community of fellow food enthusiasts. Your journey in the kitchen is just as important as the final dish. Keep experimenting, keep tasting, and keep sharing your love for food. Together, we can make every meal a celebration. Thank you once again for being here, and I can't wait to cook with you again soon. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit.